to 824, starting up the Honda Accord with the exhaust leak, and we're gonna look for exhaust leaks. Here we go. The race is on before it gets hot. No leak on one?
That one.
That's good.
Oh, yeah. No bubbles. Right there. Is that bubble? Right there.
Yeah, there's a bubble.
Okay. Bubble right here at the end. None right here. So at either end.
On the right side.
Yeah. Well, this one should be good. It's got a lot of metal on it. Yeah, this one's good. There's no bubbles. No bubbles in that one.
Alright.
So just that one.
Okay.
Just that one right there.
You want to shoot any of this stuff back here?
Yeah. Watch out, watch out. I gotta compare it. Nope.
Shoot all of these things back here? You gotta use your light.
Alright. Watch out. Oh, there's a bubble right there. Is that bubble? Right there, right there, right there. On the inside. Right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Not here, but there. So that's where it was probably welded in before. So where the crack is none right here, just right there. Okay.
Check this one.
Yeah.
You check the one in the front.
Nope, we're good.
And there's one more to the left.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright,
So
so
just that right there, the other side on either end.
and nothing here? I can't remember.
Yeah, nothing there.
Alright, so out of 3 leaks, 2 is completely done. You remember the location of this one?
Yeah, right there where the bubbles are.
Alright.
And
Shedding.
then this one's the 2 ends.
Oh, both ends.
Yeah, that one's good. This one's good. Alright, this one's good. What's this one?
Alright,
The
shutting
2
down
ends.
now.